Hi, want to know how to check battery health on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As a first step, we would need to open this app, which is named Samsung Members. It's pre-installed on every phone, so you would just need to find this app with a M logo and click on it. On this app, you'd be able to contact Samsung support, find new and tips. But we are interested in this button which says Diagnostics. Here, we would need to choose Phone Diagnostics, and here on these icons, we would need to find battery status. By clicking on it, you'd be able to see the previous results of the battery test, and by clicking on the test again, you will get actual results which have been done just a few seconds ago. As you can see, my battery status is normal, the life is good. That means that I don't need to do any actions. But if you will get a life status bad or just result at all which is saying bad and needs to be replaced, it will be great if you will take your phone to the service center and get your battery replaced, so your phone will stop discharging that fast and you'd be able to enjoy your phone more. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.